Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a simple way to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. This method is perfect for setting up a fresh installation of Windows 11, or you can also use it for a troubleshooting purpose. Okay, and the best part is we are using only the official Microsoft tool, so no third-party tools are needed. So let's get started. For that, open your favorite browser and here you need to search for Windows 11 download. And from the search result, click on the official Microsoft site. You can find the link in the description below. Once you are on the page, scroll down to the section labeled Create Windows 11 Installation Media. You will see a button that says Download Now. Go ahead and click that to download the tool. Okay. So this will download an executable file named Media Creation Tool.exe. After downloading, navigate to your download folder and double click on the Media Creation Tool.exe file to run it. Once the tools open, you will see a window that says Getting Few Things Ready. Next, you will see the License Terms page. Just click Accept to proceed. And wait for a while. In the next window, the tool will automatically select the correct language and edition for your PC. And you need to tick Use the recommended option for this PC and then click on Next. And here you need to choose which media to use window. Select USB flash drive options and then click on Next. The tool will now list all the available USB drives connected to your system. Make sure your USB drive is connected to your computer at this point. Okay. Typically, you will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space for creating a Windows 11 bootable USB. And also please note, all the data on this USB drive will be erased. So make sure to back up anything important, okay? Now you need to carefully select the correct drive you want to use for this installation media. And then click Next. Now the Media Creation tool will start downloading Windows 11. This might take some time depending on your internet speed. So be patient. The tool will download the files and then create the bootable USB automatically. Okay. Once the process is complete, you will see a message saying your USB flash drive is ready. Click on Finish. Now that the bootable USB has been created, you can also verify it by checking the name of the USB drive. Okay, so your normal USB drive should now be converted into a bootable USB drive and renamed to ESD USB. This indicates that the bootable media has been successfully created and is ready for use. Now you can use it to install Windows 11 on any compatible PC. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Okay. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.